Paso County in east central Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Gleneagle, or 14 miles north of Colorado Springs, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Local homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Air Force Academy in Gleneagle around 4:10 p.m. Black Forest around 4:30 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh crap.
Significant weather advisory for north central chance of precipitation.
That one's for flash flood warnings.
Counties until 4:30.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 5 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gleneagle to Air Force Academy to near Cascade, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Monument, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, Green Mountain Falls, Black Forest,
That's the tornado warning.
Security Widefield, Falcon, Gleneagle, Peterson Air Force Base,
Oh crap.
Cimarron Hills, Chipeta Park.
I'm in directly in the path of this severe thunderstorm. And also path of this tornado.
Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
And that severe thunderstorm warning is also with that. Another tornado warning. It's for my county.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for north central El Paso County in east central Colorado until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Black Forest, or 12 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving east at 20 miles an hour.
Crap.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
I'm just heading right in my way. Oh, there it is.
The National Weather Service
It's right over there.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern El Paso County and
Looks
east
like this
central
one is about to
Colorado
form.
until 5 p.m. At 4:17 p.m.,
Oh,
severe
crap.
thunderstorms were located along a line
See what
extending from
happens.
Glen Eagle to Air Force Academy to
There it is! Holy crap! It's picking up dust. Oh, there we go. There's debris. Sirens are still activated.
central Colorado until 7:30 p.m. At 4:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding in the advisory area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Some locations that
Here we
will
go.
experience flooding include Colorado Springs, Monument, Air Force Academy, MDT Springs, Black Forest, Glen Eagle, Peterson Air Force.
Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 8 p.m. At 4:54 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up
Here
to
we
2
go
inches
again.
of rain have already fallen across northern portions of Colorado Springs. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Colorado
Tornado already passed.
Monument, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, Black Forest, Peyton, Falcon, Glen Eagle,
crap.
Peterson Air Force Base, Cimarron Hills, Stratmore, and Security Widefield. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.